Sempat ngai aku boleh pi berok ki perlok ki baju so tenap lepik. Iki video ni channel jengi bat ni aku boleh ri pi na mata ka jing kersan jong pi ni channel jengi te kan ka por ba clip mat ko abang ni sngap ka tuk ni ki jing kren ki jong u Butch Wilmore. Wei ni ki astronaut bala sakut apa jong ka International Space Station. Nak daw jong ka jing thut ka roket ka bagi syong maki hadien ba ki lapo ya po ka International Space Station. Kum tai kim semla syuk ban lek phai biang ska pyrthei bat kila hab ban sakut haduh kendai bana bat datang haduh kan ka sngi ka baat ba hab ka khat praterik banai mat ara terpesan kila yok biang ban her ringkau da ka jing lek shaw ne ka jing rap jong ki arngot ki astronaut ta unik hagiu bat u Alexander Kurbanov kila yok ban phai biang ska nek sla jong pyrthei ha ka jing li ka belak li da ka Christian Broadcasting Network ko bala kali sepang ka ai ka jing hikai ka ba ula yo ling ba jo ka ni ka jing jia baju ba bi ka ni ka jing li u bot firmor ula ong ka jing sngo jonga lo jong ni ki ai baro ki bala jia kalong namar ba ka jing ngai ka jonga ko pendam how try berunong peniem jonga JISU Christ u bodon ka plan nan ni ka jing tmu na ka benta ka buram jong u ha ka pyrthei bat ka jat ben riu baro ling ba ka jing im ka jongi ka baman la ka sngi.
What is your life lesson or takeaway from these 9 months in space?
Well, in answer to your question, I can tell you honestly, my feeling on all of this goes back to my faith. It's bound in my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. He is working out His plan and His purposes for His glory throughout all of humanity, and how that plays into our lives is significant and important. And however that plays out, and I am content because I understand that. I understand that He's at work in all things. Some things are for the good. Go to Hebrews chapter 11. Some things look to us to be not so good, but it's all working out for His good for those that will believe. And that's the answer. So thanks for asking.